Alright. Sorry if my clicking sounds is too loud. Don't know if I can do anything about that. How do the two areas compare in population size? Okay, let's open my sheets. So I did my COVID data over Lincoln County and Brown County. Let's take a look at Lincoln County's population. So Lincoln County has 61,000, in Brown County 38,000, which is, well, Lincoln County is actually the smaller county in size. See, and Brown County is, I think I could say that it's twice its Lincoln size. But it also has the population of 38,000, while Lincoln has 61,000. So could differences in population size influence the result of your project? I think so. So yeah. Sorry, that was my email. Okay. So Lincoln County is a pretty small county in size, but it does have more population than Brown, and its positivity rate is right here at 24. In Brown County, larger county with the least population, but it does have the higher positivity rate. How have positivity rates changed over time between the two areas studied? Let's look at my graph. So I started to record my data towards the end of August, towards the end of October, so that gives about exactly 2 months. Sometime in August, it had a high spike towards 100%, and then it dropped and it relatively stayed under 50%, had a little spike over here, and then it dropped again. So I think it, stays under 50%. Okay, yeah. So Brown County, there we go, sorry. So Brown County actually is the one that hit 100%. Lincoln came pretty close. And as for reaching 0%, I think Lincoln came the close, but so has Brown County. Just barely, both of them have. But Lincoln County definitely has reached closer to 0% a few times more than Brown County. And I think we can take a look at this. All right. Question: is our country meeting testing targets? Does this vary by region? Let's look. Oh, no, sorry. Sorry. Okay. I think it's safe to say that we are not meeting the testing target. 35 states are below the target. And let's take a look at South Dakota. Wow. We come in last place for not reaching the testing target. So, go South Dakota. Does this vary by region? It might, because let's look at the states again. these states are, closer to, like Washington. Oh, that's fine. Hawaii. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe every other state just doesn't have more restrictions and people not wanting to social distance and take every precaution possible. How does this information of COVID-19 testing in the United States influence the project? So, let's see. Lincoln County, its positivity rate is 24. It's still about a quarter of, of reaching 100%. It's not bad, but it's not good either. So even though you think your county is doing pretty good in your general area, the whole state compared and with the whole country, it's not doing good. And it might, it just, South Dakota is in the middle of nowhere. So your county could be doing good, but the rest of the state, but in the rest of the country, not so good now altogether when you put all the data together. How might this information differently influence the public versus healthcare professionals versus government officials? So, this is just, I guess, my idea. Sorry, I'm just kind of thinking what I want to say. So, we're part of the 35 states that's not reaching the target. Not only are part of it, we are the one that has the least. We're definitely not reaching it. We have like 92% if we're gonna reach the goal. And we need to listen to the healthcare professionals. The government officials need to listen to the healthcare professionals. I think in New Zealand, the government officials listen to the healthcare professionals, and I think they didn't even have cases for like 2 whole months. And we need to start listening. Or I know it's a person's right to take their own lives in their hands when it comes to COVID-19, but think about other people. Why are you risking their lives? And granted, we're wearing a mask, but that's just not right. I'm sorry. I cannot come with a proper sentence. Okay. Yeah, I think we definitely could have handled it better if we had just listened to the healthcare professionals, especially the public, especially the government. It's better to be safe than sorry. And look at us. We're still in this from March. Like, if I just count right, it's almost going to be a year. It's already way past 6 months. And I would like this to be over. And if people just listened and be more considerate, we would probably be done with this. Sure, there isn't a vaccine yet, but there'll probably be more privileges, I guess. So, I guess that's my idea of how we could handle it better.